Everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video, guys. And today I'll be showing you how to turn on your camera for Zoom meetings. So yeah guys, make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the Zoom application if you haven't already. After opening up Zoom guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you can either create a new meeting for yourself or join an existing meeting. I'm going to be showing you how you turn on your camera both ways, even if you are creating a new meeting or joining an existing one. So guys, let's get started. The first thing you want to do guys, if creating a new meeting, you want to go ahead and select this arrow right here pointing downward, and then this will open up this option that enables you to either start the meeting with video or without. Let's say that we have already started the meeting. After turning off this without, let's go ahead and click on new meeting to start the meeting. And as you can see here guys, currently our video is disconnected. We do not have a camera enabled. I do not have a camera on my PC, but if you have a camera, then your face will appear here after you start your video. So guys, all you have to do to start your video is go ahead and click this button in the lower left corner where it says start video. As you can see, currently it is not started. Go ahead and click on it. And now guys, you can see if you have a camera, your face will appear right here and you have successfully started your video cam for your Zoom meeting. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. If you're starting a new meeting, let's go ahead and leave this. If you're joining an existing meeting guys, then after clicking on this plus button right here to join a meeting, this will give you the option to either connect your audio if you want or to turn off your video. So if you want to turn off your video, all you have to do guys is go ahead and check this right here. And if you want to turn on your video while joining the meeting guys, then just turn off this and click on join after entering your meeting ID and your video will be enabled. To enable it, you can do the same method as when creating a new meeting. So yeah guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.